Hi everyone, my name is Headmistress Farragonda, and for today's episode, I'll be telling you about banner, billboard, poster, booklet, brochure, pamphlet, leaflet, and flyer. And now for the first one, we will be talking about banner. So what is the definition of banner? Banner is a long strip of cloth bearing a slogan or design, hung in public places or carried in a demonstration or procession. Then, what is the characteristics of banner? The first one, there are picture as symbol or logo of the community. The second one, usually it made in a flag or a cloth. Then, what is the purpose of banner? The first one, as a medium for publication, promotion, advertisement, friendship, and various other interests. The second one is to promote or advertise something so it can attract the attention of more people who seek it. The second one, we will be talking about billboard. So what is the definition of billboard? A billboard is also called as hoarding in UK and many other parts of the world. Is a large outdoor advertising structure or a billing board, typically found in high-traffic areas such as alongside busy roads. The characteristics of billboard is, the first one, it has large size with a ratio of 2 to 3. The second one, it has contrasting color, so it's easier to read. The third one, it has large letters and illustrations for easy viewing and reading while walking. The fourth one, it is installed at the T-junction or crossroads. The third one is posters. Poster is a temporary promotion of an idea, product, or even put up in a public space for mass consumption. Typically, posters include textual and graphic elements, although a poster may be either wholly graphical or wholly text. Posters are designed to be both eye-catching and informative. Posters may be used for many purposes. They are a frequent tool of advertisers, particularly of events, musicians, and films, propagandists, protesters, and other groups trying to communicate a message. The generic structure of poster is, the first one is goal or title, the second one is picture, the third one is message. The characteristics of poster is, use text colors and title backgrounds, use as color blocks to organize or emphasize information, is consistent throughout poster use, is logical not random useful information, presents only highlight of project, produce information, outlines topic, includes only relevant information, use relevant tables, charts, and photos. And now let's talk about booklets. So what is the definition of booklet? Booklet is a very thin book with a small number of pages and a paper cover giving information about something. The characteristics of booklet is, booklet has a small page count, usually 8 until 36 pages, and it's about program, marketing or promotional booklet, brochure, etc. And now let's talk about brochure. So what is the definition of brochure? Brochure is a small book or magazine containing pictures and information about product or service. The purpose of brochures are advertising pieces mainly used to introduce a company or organization and inform about products or services to target audience. The function of brochures are used primarily to give through explanation of one specific subject to convey information and regulations. The characteristics of brochures are, the first one contains short info and focus on one thing, the second one is to inform, educate, persuade, or influencing public to buy or follow or attend products, service, or program that is explained in the brochure. The third one, made by attractive design, catchy for public, and made by not too big size. The fourth one, brochure usually has distribution itself, and not part of another media. The fifth one, publicized once, but can be republication. The sixth one, if republication, brochure usually has different information. The next one, let's talk about pamphlet. So what is the definition of pamphlet? Pamphlet is an unbound booklet or a booklet without a hardcover or binding. It may consist of a single sheet of paper that is printed on both sides and folded in halves, in thirds, and in fourths. The characteristics of pamphlet is, the first one, in general, use language that is short, clear, and persuasive. The second one, written clearly or in print so that it's easily to read. The third one, the themes used are generally up to date. And now I'll be telling you about leaflet. So what is the definition of leaflet? Leaflet is a promotional or marketing tool that is printed on a sheet of paper which generally use art paper or art cartoon and has 2 or more folds. The leaflet itself usually contains brief information about the program, business, or activity carried out by an owner or business entity related to the product, service, or events they offer. And the characteristics of leaflet is the design consists of 2-page faces which are designed according to the folded shape of the paper, brief, concise, clear information. And now for the last one, let's talk about flyer. A flyer is a form of paper advertisement intended for wide distribution and typically posted or distributed in the public places, handed out to individuals or sent through the mail. The characteristics of flyer is the first one, size at A4, A5, GL, and A6. The second one, printed in one-sided or two. The third one, cheap because the size is not too big. The fourth one, use art paper, made paper, or HVS. The fifth one, the information is relatively to the point. The sixth one can be black or white or colorful. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.